How to set about info with custom duration on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, I'm Jesus Sisti. Today without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp on your device. In WhatsApp, click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on Settings. Here, below your name, you'll find What's Happening. Click on What's Happening. Then you can custom write anything you want. Or you can also clear at the top and then select different options that are given by WhatsApp. Simply select and you'll find duration. Click on duration and you can select the duration for your status and press on save. You can also click on visible in the chats too. In my case, it's my contact now. You can change it to everyone, my contacts, except or nobody as well. After you do that, press on the tick mark at the bottom right corner of your screen and it will be added. This is how to set about info with custom duration on WhatsApp. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.